You know what's wild? We're living in an age where I can literally tell my phone to launch a rocket into space, but I still can't get McDonald's to figure out that I've arrived to pick up my Big Mac without having to shout out a 4-digit code at a robot that pretends to be a person. So please make it make sense. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Today, we need to talk about something that's been grinding my gears. The McDonald's mobile app experience is stuck in 2024, and I'm not saying that as a compliment. I'm saying that for some reason it doesn't look like anyone's developed on it for the last couple of years. Look, I love McDonald's, I do. The fries, the Big Mac, but their mobile ordering system is like watching your grandpa trying to use TikTok. It's painful, it's awkward, and somebody really needs to step in and help. Here's the thing, Chick-fil-A has absolutely cracked the code on this, and I mean both literally and figuratively. You order on their app, you roll up to the restaurant, and here's where the magic happens. The app knows you're there, kind of like the McDonald's one does, but they start making your food right away. Then you pull up in the drive-through line, scan the QR code that's on the sign there, and you're done. No talking, no waiting, no repeating yourself 3 times to someone who may or may not be there, or an AI that doesn't really work like an AI. You just scan and go. It's so smooth. It's like butter on a warm biscuit. You pull around, grab your food from the mobile pickup window, which by the way is often separate from the regular peasant line, and you're on your way. The whole experience is faster than my attention span during a software update. Meanwhile, over at McDonald's, I'm playing customer service roulette. I roll up to the drive-thru with my mobile order, feeling all efficient and modern, and then I hear that voice, welcome to McDonald's, would you like to try our blah, 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 blah? And then I'm just like, here's my code, AB12. And then what I thought was a human being turns out wasn't, and then the actual human being comes on, and they say, oh, hold on 1 second, or, yeah, what was that code again? Or, how can I help you? And I'm sitting there thinking, dude, I just gave the robot the code. This is so inefficient. So I repeat the code. We go through that song and dance again. They tell me to confirm on the screen, like part of my order might disappear in the transmission, and then I have to go around and pick it up. And here's the kicker. McDonald's already has the infrastructure for this. They've got those digital menu boards at basically every location. You can't tell me that they can't display a QR code up there that I can scan, and then they know I'm there in line waiting for my food. Chick-fil-A figured this out, and they're not even as big as McDonald's. They're newer, they're younger, and yeah, maybe that's why they're more hip to the tech. But McDonald's is a multi-billion-dollar global empire. You're telling me that the company that figured out how to make a hamburger taste exactly the same in 119 countries can't figure out QR codes? Here's the question for you. What's the worst fast food mobile order experience you've had? Tell me about it. Make me feel a little bit better. The mobile pickup window at Chick-fil-A is separated from the regular line in some cases where they have the infrastructure for it. So, do you know what that means? It means I'm not stuck behind that long line of cars that's actually sitting there waiting like I am at McDonald's. McDonald's, I'm begging you. You've got the technology. You've got the resources. You've already made me download your app and create an account and enable location services. The least you can do is let me scan a QR code, move on with my day. This isn't rocket science. It's actually simpler than rocket science because Chick-fil-A has already done the hard work. Just copy their homework. I won't tell. Nobody will tell. Nobody watches this podcast. It's just me here ranting. And that's just the way I like it because it means that I don't have to put on pants. Listen, the Chick-fil-A model is the model for every fast food restaurant. Taco Bell, Wendy's, Burger King, I'm looking at you too. Make sure you do it the same way. Don't make me talk to someone or a fake someone and then the real someone. That's the worst. So McDonald's, please get on it. Please, for the love of all that is holy and deep fried. The customers are ready. The technology exists. Chick-fil-A is kicking your ass on this. And nobody, including myself, wants to actually talk to people anymore. I just want to sit in my car and live my sad, sad, lonely life. Is that really too much to ask? I hope not. Peter Von Panda, out.